Okay, here's Mega Cannons, my favorite level. That's all I do. Make games, 2-player on here, deathmatch, win, win, win. Check me out, Biozell. I'm not that good actually, but I'm better than you. Okay. You have bases, use your polarizer, you find gears, and you put them on your cannon. So you go find them, and get them, and bring them back. All while in the midst, whatever the word is, M-I-D-S-T, how do you say that? Of battle, midst of battle, midst of battle, yeah, that. They have their own gears too. Red team's better. Yeah, there's grind stuff here. I'll show you some tricks here later. And now, you go do stuff. Well, now you have them all. So now you go to the colored things and crank it up. Okay, and you capture all of them. While you have them captured, your guns, I can't say ammo, you see the bar on the left? Yeah, when it gets 1/3, you can shoot a shot. Oh man. Yeah, you have your wrench online. Yeah, when you get 1/3 each time, you can shoot. And then I think it takes like 5 shots, and you have to shoot the enemy cannon. But of course, it's quicker with all the generators. And you press circle, which is also shoot, when you're near one of these, which just wastes ammo. It's really bad. And there's taunts, like, and there's a lot of team stuff. But there's some other weird, not weird stuff, different things that you can say, like in a deathmatch. They're all different. And now I'm waiting for the bar to fill in the midst of battle. And they can spin, and you can not spin them. They spin themselves. And then you go in here when it's filled. Never mind. And you wait. You wait for it to fill. It's going pretty quick. No, it's not really going quick. You see it? Yeah. And you're fighting and waiting. Iron Lombax. Mega Cannons. This is okay. And I can't even do all my rounds and destroy it, because I'm not even filled, because you have to do 5 shots, or 4. So now I can shoot 3 in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Enter turret, turn really slowly, automatically, not automatically, and you shoot. And you shoot again. And then you shoot. again. And now you wait for it to fill. But other teams can capture your generators, and then you can't shoot. Yeah, one-player games are pretty boring. Wait, can I shoot? No, no, no. Ooh. Okay. Yep, it's 5 shots. Critical. Volume. And waiting. It's going. It's even slower with one generator. I feel bad for those non-one-player guys. And okay, it's coming real soon.